I have power to bite at the chance. College teachers recommended to take part in an India study trip, but many students hesitated. They were afraid to speak English. They thought that India is a dangerous country. There are many reasons to refuse India study trip. However, I could get worse to go to India. Actually, I could have a variety of experiences. For example, homestay, project-based learning, visited to university and company in India, and soon. This experience was for my own growth and affected my life. That's why I want to be more powerful in order to get many chances.